In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive files online only on a computer. If your hard drive is filling up, switching Google Drive to keep files online only is a quick fix. We'll use Google Drive for Desktop, which bridges your Google Drive and your computer so you can see your files in File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac without downloading them all. First, open Google Drive for Desktop on your computer. Look for the small Google Drive icon. On Windows, you'll find it in the system tray near the clock. You may need to click the arrow to see hidden icons. On a Mac, look in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click that Google Drive icon, then choose the gear icon to open Settings, and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the Google Drive section. Here, you'll see two choices for how files are stored on your computer. Select Stream Files. This option shows your Drive files on your computer, but keeps them online by default. After selecting it, click Save to apply the change. From now on, your Google Drive files will stay online only and won't be stored locally unless you open them. They will still appear in File Explorer or Finder, so you can browse and search as usual. When you double-click a file, it downloads on demand so you can work with it. Because the file streams from the cloud, you'll need an internet connection to open it. If you're offline, it won't open until you're back online. Recently opened files may be cached temporarily, but the system manages that space for you. You may notice a small cloud icon next to items, which simply indicates they live in the cloud. Thumbnails and folder names appear instantly, but opening very large files can take a moment depending on your connection speed. If you frequently work offline, remember you can return to the same Preferences panel anytime to switch modes later. You'll also see another option called Mirror Files. Mirror Files downloads all your Drive content to your computer and keeps a local copy in sync with the cloud. That's useful if you need constant offline access, but it takes up local storage. If your goal is to save space and keep files online only, always choose Stream Files in Google Drive Preferences and keep it enabled. That's it. You've turned on streaming, your files are visible but not taking up space, and they'll download only when you open them. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.